Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and a very good afternoon to all of you. How are you all doing? Good, that's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your first computing lesson of this week. So, in today's class, we will learn that how we can fix our mistakes on the scratch or in the program. So far, whatever the commands we give to the scratch, it works accordingly, right? Let's say when if we say the program to please move, say hello, then move 10 steps and then change the random positions. So it work accordingly. What if when you give the commands to a scratch and it does not work accordingly, how you can fix it? So in today's class we will learn that how we can find the error and how we can fix it. So without wasting any time, I'm going to share the screen with you. Let's open the scratch. I want all of you to please open the scratch on your PCs, laptops, whatever the devices you are using, so that we can learn this together. Now see, let's say I make up a program which is when I'm making an event. Okay, I'm giving the command. I says that when clicked on this, the sprite go to the random positions, then it say hello for 2 seconds, find out that. Okay, this say hello for 2 seconds, and then I give the command that move 10 steps. Now these are the commands that I collectively want to give to this scratch. Okay, so I have given all of these commands, and now I click on this, or let's say if I click on this, see how it works. It is saying hello, it is going to random positions, but it is not moving 10 steps, right? So it is not working accordingly. What if I put this in a forever loop? Let me take a forever loop from here. Now what I will be doing, I will take all these. Okay, let's put it like this. I will add all these into the forever loop over here, and now I will join the forever loop with this, so that I want that it keeps on doing this. Now let's see how it works. See whether it is working properly. No, see the half of the face of the sprite is hiding, so it's again not perfect, right? Now what we will be doing, we will make a little change. What would be the change? That when this program is not working properly, the thing that you can do with the program is that you can put half of the functions within the forever loop and half of them outside it. Let's see how it works. I'll put this, go to the random position and say hello after the loop, and I'll put this move 10 steps inside. One more thing that I want to add over here is that it, whenever it bounces on an edge, it moves back. I want this. Now let's find this option, that if on edge bounce over here. I'll add this in forever loop as well, because whenever it bounces an edge, it does not come back. So I want this option as well. Now let's see how it works. And it's perfect. See, it is moving in a proper manner. Whenever it is touching an edge, it is bouncing back, and all of the functions are done in a proper manner. So this is how we fix something in a program when we give commands to the sprite. If it is not working properly, we are supposed to, now the rule for which actions or which commands should be inside forever loop and which should be outside. So the tip is that all the commands that must happen once should be put inside the loop that you want to do once, okay? And the all of the commands that will be repeated, you will put them into the outside of it. Got it? The all of the commands that should be outside the loop, outside the forever loop, like go to random position and say hello, are the commands that are supposed to happen only once. And moving 10 steps, and whenever it touches a edge, bounce back. This is the command that needs to happen on repeated basis. So I have put it in the forever loop. Got it? Okay. Now I want all of you to please open your Scratch, use the similar commands, make a program. First check it without all of these things, all of these settings, and that first check them without putting them in forever loop, then check them all of them putting in the forever loop, and then check by adding some commands outside the forever loop and some inside it, and then tell me whether it works properly or not. Okay, hurry up. Yes, any confusion? Everything is all right? Is it working for you? Okay, great. All done? Excellent. So, did you guys enjoy the lecture? Wonderful. That was all for today. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.